How to close HANDELSBANKEN debit card. To close or cancel your HANDELSBANKEN debit card, you will need to follow certain procedures to set by the bank. Locate the customer service number for HANDELSBANKEN. This can usually be found on the bank's website or on the paperwork that came with your debit card or on the back of your card. Dial the customer service number and follow the prompts to speak with a representative. Be prepared to provide personal information to verify your identity. This may include your account number, name, address, and possibly other details. Provide information about the debit card. Clearly state that you want to close your debit card. Follow any instructions provided by the customer service representative. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.